stopped at our assigned gate, you will be invited to disembark. Do remember, when leaving, to take all your belongings and be careful when opening the overhead lockers. Items that may have shifted during flight may fall, causing injury to you or others nearby. Smoking is prohibited until you exit the terminal. If you are traveling on, you are requested to remain on board. Please do not smoke. To those of you leaving us here, it certainly was a pleasure looking after you today, and we look forward to seeing you again someday soon. Should you need assistance, please check with our customer service agents in the terminal. On behalf of Captain Bashkin,